everyone. Welcome back to Surya's Easy Maths class.
I hope you all are enjoying your online classes. Yes, na children? So, are you all ready for maths class? Yes. But see children, today we are not going to learn anything. Today we are going to do one activity. I know you all like activities very much. So, today we are going to do activity on addition. So, children, are you all ready for addition activity? Yes. So, let's start. See children, we have here different color counters. So, we will represent ones by blue counters, tens by orange counters and hundreds by green counters. Using these counters, we will add numbers. So, the numbers we have are 352, 423 and 211. Now children, we have to add these numbers by using counters. Now we will represent these numbers using counters. So our first number is 352. So we will represent 300 by 3 green counters and 50 by 5 orange counters and 2 by 2 blue counters. Children, did you realize why? Because each green counter stands for 100. Each orange counter stands for tens and each blue counter stands for ones. Now children, let's place counters according to the next number, that is 423. So 400 will be represented by 4 green counters, 20 will be represented by 2 orange counters and 3 will be represented by 3 blue counters. Now children, here our 423 number is ready. Now let's see the next number, that is 211. So 200 will be represented by 2 green counters, 10 will be represented by 1 orange counter and 1 will be represented by 1 blue counter. So children, our numbers are now ready. So children, can you say me from where we start addition? Yes, we always start addition from ones place. So let us first add our ones. So we have 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 1, 6. So we have 6 blue counters with us. Let us bring these 6 blue counters in the final column. Okay children? Next we will move on to the tens column. So we have 5 plus 2, 7 and 7 plus 1, 8. So we have 8 orange counters with us. We will bring these 8 counters down in the final column. Now next we will move to the hundreds column. So we have 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. So we have 9 green counters. So let us bring these 9 counters in final column. Now children, our addition is ready. Let's see how. We have to count all the column wise counters, 100, tens and ones. So let us count first 100 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how many hundreds are here children? Yes, 9. Now let us see the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So how many tens we have? 8 tens. Now let's see the ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many ones? 6. So children, our addition of 352, 423 and 211 is 986. 986. So it becomes 986. Okay, children? Did you understand, children? Yes. Now let's do one more addition with this activity. Children, are you enjoying this activity? Yes. So let us do one more addition. So numbers we have to add are 246, 324 and 355. Now children, let us represent these numbers using counters. So our first number is 246. So 200 will be represented by 2 green counters and 40 will be represented by 4 orange counters and 6 will be represented by 6 blue counters. Now let's place the counters according to the next number, that is 324. So 300 will be represented by 3 green counters and 20 will be represented by 2 orange counters and 4 will be represented by 4 blue counters. So our number 324 is ready. Now children, let's see the next number, that is 355. Let us place counters. So 300 will be represented by 3 green counters and 50 will be represented by 5 orange counters and 5 will be presented by 5 blue counters. So now our numbers are ready. Children, from which place we should start addition? Yes, we should always start addition from ones place. So let us start from ones place. So we have 6 counters. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So we have 15 blue counters with us. So let us bring these all 15 counters down in the final column. But as these are 15 counters, know that 10 ones is equal to 110. So can we make 110? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, 10. So children, we can make 110 here. Can we make another 10? No. So children, we can replace these blue counters by 1 orange counters. We will take 1, 10 and replace these ones. So now children, we have 1 orange counter and 5 blue counters with us. But this is not right place to keep an orange counter here. Yes, no children? So orange counter should be in the tens place. So I shifted here. Now we will add rest of the orange counters. So we have 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 5, 11. So here we have 11 orange counters and 1 counter from the carry forward. So in total we have 12 orange counters. Now let us bring all these orange counters in the final column. So children, we have 12 orange counters and we also know that 10 tens is equal to 100. So let us see, can we make 100, 110, 210, 310, 410, 510, 610, 710, 810, 910 and this is 1010. 10 tens means 100. So children, 10 tens makes 100. So we can replace these orange counters by 1 green counter, and we will remove these orange counters. Now we have one green counter and two orange counters. But as this is not the right place to keep the green counter, because green counter should be in hundreds place. So I shifted green counter in the hundreds column. Now let us add rest of the green counters here. So we have 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. And one green counter from the carry forward. So now total we have green counters. Let us bring all green counters in the final column. So children, here our addition is complete. Now let us count by the column wise how many counters are in hundreds column, tens column and ones column. So let's count the 100 column first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 hundreds. And 2 tens means 20. And ones 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So children, our addition of 246, 324, 355 is 925. Now children, I hope that you enjoyed this activity. So children, you can also do the same activity with the help of different color cards or counters.
Thank you for watching my video. If you liked my video, then please press on like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.